My name is Santiago de la Puente. I'm a Peruvian PhD candidate here at the Institutes for the Oceans and Fisheries, and I'm part of the Global Oceans Modeling Lab and their Willy Christensen. I follow fish from the ocean to the final consumer, and I try to make this process as economically efficient, socially just and environmentally sustainable as possible by analyzing what happens as fish as it moves through the seafood supply chain. Most stakeholders will agree that sustainable fisheries or sustainability is important, a desired outcome. But how we get there is a challenge. Every step we take towards this goal comes at a cost, and the costs are different for each different stakeholder. For some fishers, it might be a short-term reduction in the expected catch. For politicians, it might mean that they are a little bit less popular. But these costs definitely inform the decisions and affect their decision making. The other bit is trust. Most stakeholder groups have a history of being at odds with each other. Some fishers will not want to share information with other fishers, particularly regarding what, when, where, and how they catch their fish. Some fishing companies might not want to share information with NGOs, both seeking sustainable fisheries, because they might fear that NGOs have a different agenda or that they might actually end up reducing their profitability. So there is a history here that needs to be repaired. And building trust is definitely about acknowledging past mistakes and working together to move past them in favor of a sustainable future. And the most important thing is that we approach this with humility and ask questions. If we pretend to think for others and assume that we understand and know what other stakeholder groups want, we will definitely fail. So we need to work together, and that means knowledge co-creation, co-management, really coming together to tackle this beast.